Welcome to Melviland. Guessing game.
Hi, my friends. My name is Anne, and today I'm going to my grandfather's farm. There are so many different animals on the farm. Do you know any farm animals? Let's play a game. Listen to the sound and guess what kind of animal it is. I wish you good luck. It's a horse. It's a cow. It's a sheep. It's a pig. It's a hen. It's a duck. It's a donkey. It's a goose. It's a dog. It's a goat. It's a frog. It's a bee. Now you know what animals there are on the farm? My favorite is a horse. And what's your favorite? I hope you enjoyed my grandfather's farm. See you soon.
Please subscribe.